Hi, today we'll be reviewing this aluminum folding camping table. It's very lightweight and small, but very sturdy as well. It comes in a roll-up top waterproof bag. In the bag you'll find two pieces, the legs and the tabletop. The legs simply unfold. All you have to do is swing over two aluminum bars and hook it into place. And you're ready to put on the tabletop. Once you pull aside the stretchable cords, the tabletop simply unfolds. All you need to do then is place it on top of the legs and snap them into place. This table is extremely lightweight, but it's very sturdy. This table is perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, barbecues, cooking, and even fishing. Here I'm using it next to the poolside to hold my drinks. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful.